Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the next part, using long division, you have to find out the zeros. If you remember last year in polynomial chapter, you found out the zeros of cubic polynomial, right? Do you remember how you have done that?
Ma'am, we did trial and error method and then synthetic division.
So first you have found out the trial and error method, one of the zero you calculated, and then after that you have done with long division or the synthetic division, whatever it is. So long division generally I taught. So long division you have done, and after that you got the quadratic polynomial, and that quadratic polynomial again you have factorized. So this way you got 3 zeros. 1 0 by trial and error method, and the remaining 2 by 2 or 3 by division method, division, synthetic division or long division. The similar one you have now here. Zeros will be in the long division method again. The zeros, one of the zero which you were last year calculating with trial and error method, that zero will be given to you. If it is a cubic polynomial, then 1 0 will be given to you. Or if it is a biquadratic, that is a degree 4. The polynomial with degree 4 are called biquadratic. If the biquadratic polynomials are given, means degree 4, then 2 zeros will be given to you, and remaining 2 zeros you have to find out. So that is also need to be done by long division method. And here most of the time 0 will be irrational number. Okay, so that is the only one method left out at the end. So the first one is simple one. You are able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here this is a biquadratic polynomial with maximum exponent 4, degree 4. Then such polynomials are called biquadratic polynomials. In that 2 zeros, biquadratic have at most 4 zeros. Out of that, 2 will be given in the question and 2 you have to calculate. Now for this, what you have to do? So out of 4 zeros, 2 will be given to you. That is 2 and minus 2 is given. So in this case, 2 and minus 2 are the zeros. So x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2. So these are the zeros given. 2 more zeros you have to calculate. X is equal to 2 more zeros. Then only the product of these 4 will become this polynomial. So in this case, we know that is what are the factors. If x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2, then what will be the factors?
X minus 2 and x plus 2.
Here in this case, it is x minus 2. So that means this 2, you have to transfer it to LHS. So it will become x minus 2. In this case, it is
X plus 2.
X plus 2.
x plus 2. Now here x plus alpha, the third zero, and x plus beta. Now these 4, when you will multiply, then only you are getting this polynomial x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 34x square minus 4x plus 120. Okay, this polynomial we get. So product of all these is this polynomial. We have 2 numbers, so we can find out the product of these 2. And then the remaining terms product we can calculate. So product of this will be x square minus 4.
X squared minus 4.
It is in the form of x plus b, a minus b. So the product will be a square minus b square. This into x plus alpha into x plus beta is equal to this polynomial. X to the power 4 plus x cube minus 34x square minus 4x plus 120. Now how to calculate this part? We have this, we need to calculate this. This is what we have to calculate, and this is our polynomial. So to find out this term, this part, you have to divide the given polynomial with this factor. Able to understand? For example, suppose take an example of 105 is a number whose factors are 5 into 7 into 3. Now, out of this, 105 is written as 5 into 7 into 3. If you know 5, can you find out this remaining factors? 105 says 5 is a factor. Can you find out the remaining ones?
Yes, ma'am.
By
Ma'am, 105 divided by 5.
105 divided 5, you will get 21, right? 105 divided by 5, you will get 21. Now 21 is written as 3 into 7. So remaining two terms you can calculate by this way. Exactly similar way for the polynomials as well. So these are the four products. Together, these four become this polynomial. So we need to, we can find out the product of these two. And then product of these two, we have to calculate. A into B is equal to AB. Then how to calculate B?
AB by A.
AB by A. So to find out the zeros, you have to divide this polynomial with this product. So long division we have to do. X to the power 4 plus x cube minus 34x square minus 4x plus 120. And we have to divide with x square minus 4. So what you have to do is, first, what are the zeros you have been given? Find out their factors. Take the product of those factors and divide the given polynomial with the product of those two factors. First, so who will try this division? First, this one will be, quotient will be, what will be the first quotient?
Ma'am, quotient will x square plus x
X
square.
square.
X square. So x square into x square will become x to the power 4. X square into minus 4 is minus 4x square. So here is x square term. So minus 4x square. And then do subtraction. For that, sign will change. This will become minus, this will become plus. So this get cancelled. Next term as it is, we need to copy down. And here it is minus 34 plus 4 is minus 30x square. Now next two terms, minus 4x plus 120. Now the next quotient will be
plus x.
Plus x. Here x cube. So plus x cube divided by x square. That is plus x. So x into both of them you have to multiply. X cube minus 4x. Like terms below like terms you have to write. This is minus. So this sign will change. This sign will change. This get cancelled. Minus 4x plus 4x cancel. Becomes 0. This is minus 30x square plus 120. So minus 30 will be the quotient. Minus 30 into x square is minus 30x square. Minus 30 into minus 4 is plus 120. And then subtract. This will become plus. This is minus 120 minus 120. Get cancelled. So everything is 0. Now remainder is 0. Now we got this term. Factorize this term. Now to find out two zeros, we need to find out the quotient. X square plus x minus 30. So middle term splitting, this is equal to minus 30 is a product and difference is plus 1. So it is 6 5s up. X square plus 6x minus 5x minus 30. X in bracket x plus 6 minus 5 into bracket x plus 6. So it is x plus 6 into x minus 5. These are the two factors. And now finding 0. These are the factors you got. Now to find zeros, you have to equate each factor to 0. X plus 6 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. So value of x will be minus 6, x is equal to 5. So two remaining two zeros you got as 5 and minus 6. So at the end, you have to write all these zeros. All these zeros are First one already given is +2 and -2, and remaining one are 5 and -6. If you don't write this, your teacher will cut marks. If you don't write all the zeros at the end, you will lose marks. Able to understand what is done here? To find out the remaining zeros, factorizing fully and finding the zeros, 2 zeros will be given. It is a biquadratic polynomial. 2 zeros will be given. You have to calculate remaining 2 zeros. For that purpose, you have to, if these two are the zeros given, then find the factors. That means changing the position. Here x is equal to 2, then transfer 2 to LHS, it will become x minus 2. Then x is equal to -2, then factor will become -2, transfer it to LHS, it will become x plus 2. Find the product of these two, that is x square minus 4. Then with x square minus 4, divide the given polynomial with the long division method. So this way you have divided. Now whatever the quotient you got, again you have to factorize. Then whatever the two factors you got, equate them to 0 to find the value of x. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood what has to be done here? Finding 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then copy on this question. Yes.
Ma'am, you have written that we have to find x plus alpha and x plus beta. Ma'am, instead of that plus sign, can we write x minus alpha and x minus beta and find?
Yeah, that might be okay. No problem.
Ma'am, but if we get a different answer, does it matter? Like the sign may
No,
be
here
different.
only I told you why to divide it. So now mostly students will ask why I need to divide. Whatever step I will tell you, the students will generally ask me why we need to divide, why not to multiply. So why exactly division has to be done? So for that reason, for explanation, I wrote this.
So you don't have to write this.
No, it is not needed. So this is only for your explanation. Why, for what purpose you need to divide?
So
How
we can
by
take
dividing
it in
you
the
are
other
getting.
form also, right? We
Yes,
can
it is
take
no
it
problem.
in
No
minus
problem. Yes, no
Okay.
problem in that case.
So ma'am, we can write in this way also, right? In the test or something.
Yeah. If you write this, if you don't write this, doesn't matter. But long division you have to show. And these questions are for 3 marks. Clear?
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, here you've taken x plus 2 and x minus 2 as factors. Ma'am, and when you're multiplying, we are able to use a minus b, a plus b identity, and we can simplify further.
Yeah.
Ma'am, but like in some cases, zeros may be like 2 or 3. So like the signs are not minus, like minus and plus. So then
Whatever
we
the
won't be able
product
to
you
do
are
that, right?
getting, whatever the product you are getting, you have to divide the given polynomial with that product.
Ma'am, so it's applicable for all zeros, any zero.
Yeah. Yeah, any zeros.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this is the one method I've directly multiplied. Actually, here it is directly, it is there. For some cases, it can be done. Some of the teachers will explain that is if these two are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, form a polynomial, and then divide this polynomial with that polynomial, new polynomial.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Yeah?
ma'am, our teacher did that.
Yes, ma'am. A teacher taught
ma'am,
us.
ma'am, suppose in the question when they give fx and gx, and then they say to find the quotient and remainder using division algorithm, then you have to just write the formula and then you have to again do division, right?
Yeah, division, long division only you're supposed to do.
Even when they say division algorithm, you have to do normal division.
Yes, normal division only.
Okay.
So division algorithm is what? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
Ma'am, because in some places it's written that quotient is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and then remainder is equal to dx plus e, something like that.
Yeah, it is there. So in that case, you are supposed to find out division algorithm you have to use, then find out which one you have to multiply and which one you have to divide or subtract. So you will get to know from this, some questions are there, we will solve those. So here it is given, fx is given, you have to calculate gx, quotient and remainder will be given, right? Such questions you are asking.
Yes, ma'am. Even in the first question, the 62nd one.
62nd one, that is directly, it is, here it is directly division you have to do, nothing to do.
Ma'am, so like when we use a division algorithm, that is what is the q is equal to divided into the
fx
method
is
like
equal to gx into
Yes,
qx
ma'am.
plus rx.
yes ma'am. So when we use that formula and then we try to do it, that time you will just get it as quotient plus remainder, right? Only you'll get that, right? You won't get it separately, like using that formula.
Using that formula, what you are trying to qx and rx, you can, how you will find out separately? I didn't get that.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Without long division method, you are trying to find out?
Ma'am, not that. I'm asking that, like, yeah, no, without long division method, can we try? Like, without long division method? No, we can't.
No.
Okay, ma'am.
Without long division method, if one is available, second one you can try. No, without long division is not possible.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so
Ma'am,
when
can
they
you
give,
scroll down?
ma'am, so when they give the question, that time they will only give the question like verify with division algorithm.
Yeah,
Other than that,
verification in division algorithm, then you can find the qx and rx separately by division method. Then multiply qx and gx, and in that add rx. The value of that should be equal to the dividend polynomial.
ma'am, and
Px.
when they say to solve it with division algorithm, you have to just write the division algorithm and then directly we can divide it long division.
Yeah, yes, directly you have to divide with long division.
Okay.
Whenever I'm trying to teach you with the this finding this polynomial by given 0 and then divide it, the teacher will tell this way. When I'm explaining this way, the teacher will explain that way. And every time I'm trying to match with this one so that you should not get confused. And every time this is happening. Every year with him, say this is happening.
Also, which method should we solve?
Any one method, it's not a problem. Only for one question there is a trouble. Otherwise, all questions are easily solved by this method only. There's only one question where instead of factorization, this one method also it will work, but somewhat difficult. There you have to find out the zero, find the polynomial whose zeros are these, and then divide the given polynomial with that polynomial.
Ma'am, so then, like, can we stick to forming the polynomial and then dividing? Like, if
Yes.
we are already used to it.
I
Okay.
generally use that method only.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
I generally, because I don't want to make that this question use this method and that question use that method.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
every time students gets confused. The school they are teaching this method. And then I'm teaching that one, so they get confused. So therefore, this year, first thing I've taught this one.
Ma'am, so there we have to use x square minus alpha plus beta x
Yeah,
plus
sum of the
alpha
zeros
beta.
and product of zeros.
Okay, ma'am.
X square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of zero.
Ma'am, and the 64th question, can we do by cubic polynomial relation?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Now we can do long division.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
On the 64th question, ma'am, you'll get the factors as x plus 2 and x plus 1, right?
Ma'am, is it mandatory for the remainder to be 0?
Yes. Obviously, because here these are the factors. You are calculating the factors. That means the whatever the product you are getting, here these are both of these are the zeros. So these are the factors of this polynomial. That means when dividing this polynomial, bigger polynomial with these two products, always the remainder should be 0.
Ma'am, 63rd question, what is the divisor? Like after multiplying the factors?
60? Third one.
Third.
Divisor, it is x square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2.
Ma'am, x square plus 3x.
Plus 3x, yeah. X square plus 3x actually. X plus 2 and x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 2.
Ma'am, and how do we do the 64th one with long division?
Only one factor. This one is there. If one of the 0 is minus 2, then what will be the factor?
X plus 2.
X plus 2. So divide polynomial with x plus 2.
Ma'am, but then there'll be. Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Quotient will be quadratic.
Cubic polynomial, it will only be 3 zeros.
3 zeros. So 1 0 is given. You will get the quadratic polynomial as quotient. Factorize it. Now, in this case, next question. Everyone completed earlier one?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
What about 63rd and 64th question?
You have to solve that. Those are the numbers questions. Easy.
On the 64th question, we will get the quotient as 2x square minus 5x minus 3, will?
Yeah. Factorize it. Now, this kind of a question where the zeros are square root numbers. So in this case, your zeros are x is equal to minus root 3, x is equal to plus root 3. The second method of finding, either you can do one method. This is the first method. Any one method you can use it. First method, find the factors. What are the factors? If minus root 3 is the 0,
X
then
plus
what will be?
root 3 and x minus root 3.
X plus root 3 and x minus root 3. Then product will be? What is the product?
X square minus
X square minus? X square minus
3.
3. Then divide the given equation with this. Or instead of this, finding factors and all those. If these are the two zeros are root 3 and minus root 3, form the polynomial whose zeros are this. With these zeros. So forming new polynomial is x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So what is the sum? X square minus, what is the sum of these two? Root 3 minus root 3 into x plus root 3 into minus root 3. So this is second method. X square, this value is 0. So this term gone. 0 into x is 0. And this one then root 3 into minus root 3 is minus 3. So you have a polynomial x square minus 3. So divide the given polynomial with x square minus 3. X to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus x square plus 9x minus 6.
Ma'am, for the 64th one, ma'am, still not getting, ma'am. I'm getting till like.
Factorize it properly.
Ma'am, it's not coming, ma'am.
It will come. X square is the quotient minus 3x square. Subtract minus plus, this get cancelled. Minus 3x cube. Here it is plus 2x square plus 9x minus 6. Quotient will be? Was the next quotient?
Minus 3.
minus 3x minus 3x cube plus 9x. Subtract, sign will change. Plus 9 minus 9 cancel. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. So answer is 2x square minus 6. Next quotient. Was the next quotient?
+2.
Plus 2. 2 into x square is 2x square minus 6. Minus plus. This becomes 0. This also gets 0. So now you got the quotient as x square minus 3x plus 2. Now factorize it. X square minus 2x minus x plus 2. X into bracket x minus 2 minus 1 into bracket x minus 2. X minus 2 into x minus 1. So these are the factors. So zeros are x minus 2 equated to 0. Also x minus 1 equated to 0. So x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. So all the zeros are initially given are root 3 and minus root 3. And the new one you got as 2 and 1. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm in that 63rd one. I'm still not getting it, ma'am. The
You
end.
don't know factorization?
Ma'am, I'm doing it, ma'am. Ma'am, it's
So-
ma'am, the quotient is 2x square minus 5x minus 3.
So,
Then so if we multiply minus 6x square. So if we do, this has to come minus 3x minus 2x. That if it's sum has to be minus 5x.
sum has to be minus 5x, and what is the product needed?
Minus 6x square.
So minus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6.
No.
Then
Ma'am, in the 64th question on long division, what do we get the quotient?
2x square minus 4x minus 5x minus 3.
Ma'am, could you repeat?
No. This one is 64th question. No, it is wrong. Different.
Ma'am, 64th question, I got the question as x square plus 11x plus 10. And then I got both the answers.
Yeah, that should be, I think. So
I'm
it is 20,
63rd.
no? 20. Yeah, it is this one. In terms of 11 and 10, you will get it.
Ma'am, the
And I
63rd.
not told to do right now. I haven't told to do those questions right now.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 2x square minus 5x minus 3. There are two ways to factorize this, right? So one we can take it as 6 into 1 and one we can take it as 3 into 2.
How it is possible 3 into 2? You need a product of two numbers as minus 6, right?
Yes, ma'am. So
minus 6, that means difference of two terms should be the middle number. If product is negative, that means the difference of two terms should be the middle number.
okay.
3 and 2's difference is not 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the 69th question, is it minus root 3 and 3? Root 3?
Answers are there. You can check.
No, ma'am, I'm asking the question. Like when I read through, I was
Yeah,
just
minus root 3 and root 3.
okay.
This was a 66 question. Have you done? Have you copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Then do the next 67th one. Similar way.
Ma'am, when we are forming the quadratic polynomial, should we mention anything?
No, directly can
Ma'am, we
write
can
it.
just directly, like
Directly write that.
the zeros are
Zeros are
so
root 2 and minus root 2. So factors is equal to, and then polynomial is equal to. Or if you are doing with the second method, then polynomial is equal to.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 second, could you show the first part of 66? Okay, ma'am, got it. Thank you.
Ma'am, and I had a doubt. Ma'am,
Yes.
like when we usually form a polynomial, we put k and form it, right?
Yeah, here it
So,
is
like
not
if
needed.
we
Here we
not
don't need
needed.
it. Not needed.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, in the end, when we are writing the answer,
No.
that time we can write in any order, right? The 4 zeros.
Yes, it's not a problem.
At the moment, we should not do the 63rd and 64th question, right?
Question is there in front of you, Vidyut. Solve that. Got the answer of this? Yeah.
Ma'am, could you just scroll up a little bit? Last question I couldn't copy. Ma'am, just the first part.
Any one method you can use. I have written both of them. You use any one method.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
R2 x squared plus 7x minus 15.
Sripati, can you tell the steps of this question? Question on the board?
Which question number is that?
Yeah, this one. On the board.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so the given zeros of the polynomial are root 2 and minus root 2. So
Mhm.
therefore, the factors of the polynomial are x minus root 2, x plus root 2,
Mhm.
and then x plus alpha and x plus beta.
Polynomial is, okay, x plus alpha and x plus beta.
Then if we multiply x minus root 2 and x plus root 2, we get x square minus 2 into x plus alpha into x plus beta. Gives us the polynomial 2x to the power 4 plus 7x cubed plus minus 19x square minus 14x plus 30. So now we divide x square minus 2 into that side. And I'm doing the division, ma'am, so I'll give the answer now.
Okay. Okay. What is the first quotient?
2x squared.
2x square. So it is 2x to the power 4 minus 2 into 2x square is plus 4x square. Like terms below, right terms right. This get cancelled. This is 7x cubed.
Ma'am, actually, no, ma'am.
minus-
Ma'am, that's wrong. 2x square into minus 2 minus 4x square. So it will be plus.
$15x square minus 14x plus 30. So next is 7 plus 7x. So 7x cubed minus 14x minus, this is plus, this get cancelled. This also get cancelled. Minus 15x square plus 30. So minus 15 quotient minus 15x square plus 30. Subtraction. This is plus, this is minus, this get cancelled, answer is 0. So you got the quadratic polynomial as 2x square plus 7x minus 15. So product is minus 30. 10 3s are 2x square plus 10x minus 3x minus 15. 2x into bracket x plus 5 minus 3 into bracket x plus 5. So x plus 5 into 2x minus 3 equated to 0. So value of x is minus 5 or 3 by 2. So all zeros are root 2 minus root 2 minus 5 and 3 by 2. Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many marks will this question be?
3 or 4. Now it is 4 markers are not there. So 5.
On the 71st question, right?
So in this case,
Ma'am, we can do like x plus root 3 by 2 into x minus root 3
factors are x plus root 3
plus
by
root
2.
3 by 2 into x minus root 3 by 2 is equal to x square minus 3 by 2.
Is equated to 0. Now take LCM to make it more easier. 2x square minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So polynomial is 2x square minus 3. This 2 will be transferred to LHS becomes 0. 2x square minus 3 is a polynomial with this you have to divide given polynomial. 2x to the power 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7x square plus x minus 1 2x square minus 3. Divide this and try. Manish, Hari, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone turn on your camera. Aditya, are you solving? Turn on your camera, everyone. Only 2 students are present, Joel and Kavya. Others are absent.
I mean, I have switched on my camera.
Ma'am, I'm trying to switch it on. It's not. Ma'am, I'm trying 1 minute. Ma'am, I'm unable to on it.
What happened?
Ma'am, I don't know. I'm trying it.
Ma'am, can you please do the division for me because I'm getting a remainder.
Yes,
So,
me too.
this
Ma'am, I did twice, but I'm still getting a remainder.
Ma'am, even I'm getting a remainder, so can you please do the division part?
check the question is right or wrong.
I'm getting the remainder minus 2x minus 7.
1 second. Then. Check the question. Give me 2 seconds. 2x to the power 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7x squared, 3x plus 6. Now check. Now check with last term 3x plus 6.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's 0.
Ma'am, to change it to plus 3x plus 6, right?
Ma'am, is it on now?
Yes, Lloyd.
Okay.
Ma'am, now the remainder is coming 0.
Yes, ma'am. Now I got the answer.
Ma'am, we did the 71st question now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then this is the next
This
one.
is the 72nd one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Earlier one answer. 71st one.
Ma'am, minus 1, 2, minus root 3 by 2, and root 3 by 2.
So, right.
Ma'am, I got 1 and minus 2 instead of minus 1 and 2.
Minus 1 and 2 is answer. What's the quotient you got?
I got x square minus x minus 2.
X squared minus x minus
Okay,
2.
ma'am, I got my mistake.
So it is minus 2x and plus 1 plus x. So here with which polynomial you are supposed to divide in this question?
3x
Ma'am,
square
ask me
minus
what
5.
answer we got for dividing. It is 3x square minus 5.
Yes, right. 3x square minus 5.
Oh my god, yeah.
Now is it -1 and minus? Okay, ma'am.
Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the next question, which is 5 marker. They have asked this in 2019. This question is for 5 mark. Now they have given 2 zeros as 2 plus minus root 3. This means 1 0 is
It's 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3.
and second one is x is equal to 2 minus root 3. Now here easily the second method will work easily. That is, if these two are the zeros, find the polynomial. This is 1, alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta is equal to 2 minus root 3. Then we have to form the polynomial. So how to find out? We need a sum and we need a product. So what is the sum of zeros?
4.
4.
Sum is 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So this is minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. Answer is 4. And the product is 2
1.
plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. That is equal to
1.
4 minus 3, which is 1. So polynomial will be x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of zeros. So x square minus, what is the sum? Sum is 4 minus 4x plus product of 0 is 1. So you got the polynomial as x square minus 4x plus 1. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now with this polynomial, divide this polynomial.
Oh man, how time to calculate?
Sanjit, mute your mic. And wait for some time. You have to divide with x square minus 4x plus 1. First quotient is x square. So x to the power 4. X square into minus 4x is minus 4x cube. Plus 1 into x square is plus x square. Minus plus minus. Just get cancelled. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2x cube. Minus 27x square. Plus 138x minus 35. Now next quotient is minus 2x. So minus 2x cube. Minus 2x into minus 4x is plus 8x square. And minus 2x. Minus, so sign will change. Just get cancelled. Minus 35x square plus 140x minus 35. So quotient is minus 35. Minus 35x square plus 140x minus 35. When you subtract, everything cancelled. This becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. So you got the quotient as x square minus 2x minus 35. So factors will be 7, 5, x square minus 7x minus 5x minus 35. So x in bracket x minus 7 minus 5 into bracket x minus 7. So two factors as x minus 7 and x minus 5. So zeros will be 7 and 5. Then all zeros.
How is it x square minus 7x minus 5x?
Ma'am, it should be plus 5x.
Plus. So 7 minus 5. So all zeros are, first is 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, 7 and minus 5. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Are the students able to understand? I have done, this is an easier method for this question only. You can find out by what will be the factor here. The first method I told you, that method also you can find out. That is, if x is equal to 2 plus root 3 is a 0, then what will be the factor?
X minus 2 minus root 3.
X minus 2 minus root 3. And the second factor will be?
X minus 2 plus root 3.
So we will get two zeros as x minus 2 minus root 3 and x minus 2 plus root 3. Now you have to find the product of this. Can you find out? This is the other method. If you want to see, otherwise leave that part. It's not mandatory. So your x minus 2 is there. So it is, this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. So it will be A square minus B square. So it is x minus 2 whole square minus root 3 square. So x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3. So x square minus 4x plus 1. It's clear?
How many we can you
Any
use
one you
again?
can do. Any one you can use it. Don't use both of them. Any one. but don't mix both of them together. Then it will be difficult. Meghna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
If completed, then you can leave.
Thank
No
you, ma'am.
homework. No homework.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
there is no homework.
Today, no homework. You have exam tomorrow. So for the test, you can-
Ma'am,
yeah,
ma'am, with this knowledge, whatever you taught, we can complete the entire exercise.
yes, you can. There are two
Okay.
questions somewhat difficult. Division is somewhat difficult. I think so. last
Which
two
question?
questions.
Last two
I think
questions. Okay, ma'am.
Last, I think so. Finding K and A value.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, tomorrow's test is still the cubic polynomial portion, right?
Yeah, cubic polynomial.
Okay.
Only.
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
can we leave?
Yeah, you can.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thanks,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 14th April class I was not there since I was unwell. So could you please upload